Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, then my name is Deborah and a huge welcome and hello to you. Today I am undecorating the house after Christmas and just thought I'd have a good old chat with you and perhaps give you some motivation. As you can see, my first job was to clear off the mantelpiece. I've loved having this space to decorate with this year, with all the candles and the greenery and the photographs. I used a mixture of fake eucalyptus leaves from IKEA, real pine and holly, which worked really well. I separated out the real stuff to take out to the compost bin and I've packed everything else away. It felt so good to clean up with the hoover and get off all the dust. I also cleaned up with some glass cleaner and I did the TV as well. Those eagle-eyed amongst you might have noticed that I have made new doors for the TV cabinet to hide away all the equipment and all the wires. Over to the Christmas tree, and on Christmas Eve we moved the tree to this position. We thought we were having lots of people over and we thought it would just make the space a bit easier to be in. So I am taking down all the decorations and I found some mist chocolate decorations as well. I have got a lot of glass decorations, so I store these in one box and wrap them in tissue paper. I did declutter as I went along and I really recommend it. I found several decorations that I could donate. I managed to get the tree out on my own and I was left with all this mess. I used the dustpan to get the large bits and then I vacuumed. If you're wondering, I have got a shark, but honestly I don't like it at all. I will link to a video review for it if you are interested. I also cleaned off the sofa, I vacuumed the cushions and moved the rug and then vacuumed the rug and it felt so much better. I have taken off the Christmas cushions, but I am still really enjoying the deep colours on these cushions, so they are staying for now. Onto the dining room, and I've loved the garland this year. It was so easy to make and remove into one box, so I will definitely be displaying it again next year. We were lucky to get so many Christmas cards. I am really old school, so I spent some time cutting them up and making tags last night for next year. The rest just goes in the recycling. I also had a really good clean in here. You've seen me do this so many times. If you're wondering, I've got the spray mop from Home Bargains and I love it. It is so easy to use. The home office fireplace was very easy to clear. I used mainly faux greens in here, which made it so easy to clear up. Finally, my husband had taken down the outside lights, so Emily and I sat and took off all the hooks and I wound them round a piece of cardboard. I found this to be the easiest way to store them for next year. Emily never seems to stop moving around and dancing, bless her. It was great to get the house put back together and cleaned, ready for the new year and back to school and back to work. I hope you're all doing well. If you're not a subscriber, then don't forget to subscribe, and I will speak to you again soon. Bye.